Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I've been asked to do a collaboration with, I think it's Two Family Homestead tagged me. I don't know who started the collaboration, but it's called the Top 5 Seeds That We Would Plant for 2019. Okay, I'm in the greenhouse. Best place to start. This is not it. I just wanted to show y'all these tomatoes. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this. I've already eaten one, and oh, to have the taste of a tomato in February is awesome. Okay, enough rubbing it in, I know. Alright, so the reason we're in the greenhouse is, out of my top 5 picks for seeds for 2019, that had to be what Deep South needed to eat. So I'm going to be showing you our top 5 picks. We're starting in the greenhouse because it's not time for me to plant this one right now, and we're going to get it ready so that it will go in the ground in a couple of months. Our number one, I guess, vegetable of all time on Deep South is our sweet potatoes. These are sweet potatoes that we saved from last year. These were down in the cellar, and we're going to make slips with them. Now, a lot of people put them in water and do a lot of crazy things, but guys, we planted right at 600 slips last year. Do you know how many jars of water and potatoes I'd have sitting around? It ain't happening. So, what we do, we come out here in January usually, but it's February. We were a little late, and we plant these potatoes in dirt, just like that. And these are the small ones. We did not save the big ones. And I'm just going to bury them all the way around in this pot. This pot was empty right now, so it didn't matter. And we're just going to cover it up. Some good soil in here, really nice. And I'm going to water this. So last year we harvested between 400 and 500 pounds of sweet potatoes, and I canned the majority of them. We keep some fresh for eating French fries and baked sweet potatoes, but most of them we canned. Then the year before we harvested right at 600 pounds, a little over 6 I believe. So it takes a lot of sweet potatoes. We eat sweet potatoes of some sort almost every day here at Deep South. So our number one 2019 seed, even though it's a tuber, potatoes, sweet potatoes, that is our number one pick. So let's go down the list to the next item. Our number 2 seed for 2019 would have to be Irish potatoes. Again, a tuber, not actually a seed, but we eat a lot of Irish potatoes here at Deep South, and I've got a lot canned in the cellar, probably between Irish potatoes and green beans, more than anything else in the cellar. So this is where we planted our Irish potatoes last week. From this field, we usually harvest at least 400 pounds of Irish potatoes. Most of those I put in jars. The rest we do have fresh until they run out. So we're hoping for about 400 pounds of Irish potatoes out of this field in 2019. So our number 2 pick, Irish potatoes, red Lesotho Irish potatoes for 2019. Number 3, carrots. This is Danny's professional garden. Look how pretty. His carrots are awesome. We usually put up approximately 50 to 60 jars of carrots a year. We eat a lot of carrots here too. So carrots is mandatory here at Deep South. These are the Danvers half long. We're going to try some new varieties. We're going to plant summer carrots too. So probably in the next week or 2 weeks, when the time is right for root crops, we're going to plant more carrots. But these are the Danvers half longs. And I'm going to show you the Love Garden carrots. Carrots, Danvers half long, our number 3 seed for 2019. Our number 4 pick would be English peas. This is the work Danny and I have been doing for the last 2 days. This is our English pea bed. We plant the little Marvel English peas. We have great success. Every year at least 60 jars plus. Every year we usually can at least 60 jars, this would be pint jars, of little Marvel English peas. So our number 4 pick, little Marvel English peas. And number 5, no, it's not any of these. We eat a lot of green beans, so in about 2 weeks, most all this will come up except for the garlic and stuff over here, but about 3 rows here. And we're going to be planting some contender green beans that usually do well here. And then we're going to plant a whole row somewhere of rattlesnake beans. The rattlesnake beans have always, the last 2 years, done excellent here. And Hoss Tool now carries rattlesnake beans. So check them out in the description below, guys. Hoss Tools Premium Seeds. And so green beans, probably the one thing we have more of than potatoes would be green beans. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this collaboration that we did with a whole bunch of other people. They have a whole playlist of 2019, the top 5 seeds. So that's what we have here at Deep South. It'll change in about 2 months when all this stuff starts coming out and we start doing something else 2 to 3 months from now. Hey, our seeds will change, but for February, right now this is our top 5 seeds. Thank you guys.